Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the essentials. Check your PC OS and internet connections so setup won't fail. Next, choose a trusted VPN provider and subscription tier. This matters for speed and server choice. Once done, decide the protocol, WireGuard for faster performance or OpenVPN for broader compatibility, because protocol affects latency and security. Make sure to create an account and note your login credentials, and download the provider's installer for your exact OS to begin the installation step immediately. You now install and configure the client. Run the installer with administrator right so drivers and network adapters install cleanly. After launch, sign in and allow the app to add a virtual network adapter because that routes traffic through the VPN. Once in settings, choose a server region based on needs, nearby for speed, specific country for content access, and enable the kill switch and DNS leak protection, since these prevent accidental exposure if the tunnel drops. Make sure to test a quick connection to validate. You complete the process by connecting and verifying protection. Click Connect and wait until the client reports connected status. Then confirm your new IP and country with an IP check site to ensure traffic is routed through the VPN. This proves the tunnel works. If sites are blocked or speeds are poor, switch protocol or pick another server, and make sure your firewall isn't blocking the client. As a key troubleshooting tip, reinstall or update network adapters and the VPN client if connection failures persist, because driver conflicts are.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.